How to fix Google Chrome redirects on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop Chrome from redirecting you to unwanted pages. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings. At this point, tap on Pop-ups and Redirects. Make sure it's set to Don't Allow Sites to Send. From there, go back to the main Chrome settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. At this point, tap on Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time. Make sure cookies and site data and cached images and files are both checked. Tap on Delete Data and confirm. From here, go back to Chrome settings and scroll down. Tap on Site Settings again. At this point, tap on JavaScript. Toggle it off to help block any remaining redirects. Once done, go back and check if the redirects have stopped. Finally, if redirects are still happening, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open Chrome and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Chrome redirects on your Android, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.